You're making crazy eyes again. Uh-huh. Can you get... No, it's all for you. Yes, that is your juice. Is that good?
No.
No, it's not. Ah. You're done with that? Don't talk with your mouth full, please. Is that your brother coming in? Where's that brother scream?
Go buddy's neck.
Right, stop.
Okay. Is it illegal for me to sit down?
Just trying to get that recording of this scream that he does, so that when he's older and we tell him that he used to scream every time you came into the dinner, we can show him what we meant. And how you like to throw your... Yes, that scream right there.
Be quiet! I don't think that's funny. Trying to block out my shushes so I can say that you didn't